Welcome back, guys. So, in our series of PostgreSQL and our topic of replication, today we are going to discuss what are replication models. Okay, so what models we have in for our applications? Like what are the topologies we can have? Okay, so models we can call topologies. We can have single master, we can have multi-master application. Okay, so what is single master application? So changes in a table or row is in a designated master server are replicated to one or more replication servers. Okay, the replicated tables on the replication server are not allowed to accept any changes from except from the masters. They will not allow any other user to make any change to the database. Okay, they only accept the updates deletes from the master server. Single master application is also called as unidirectional replication. Okay, this is called unidirection as the data flows from the master to the replication only. Okay, so that's why it is called unidirectional. Multi-master, that is called bidirectional, as we'll see how. Okay, changes made to one designated master database are replicated to all other master database servers in the configuration. Okay, in this mode, like some special scheme called conflict resolution scheme are deployed to handle duplicate primary keys. Like all your master servers are accepting changes, so there may be a case where primary keys, you may have conflict for primary keys. So to handle that, the a special scheme called conflict resolution scheme is applied. Okay. So multi-master application is also called bidirectional replication as data flowing both direction. Like one master allows changes to itself and also accepts replication for the changes which are applied to other master servers. Okay, so all the master servers are accepting connections from the user, of them applying changes to the database and sending these changes to other master servers. Okay, so we'll see if we can discuss this in later videos, but in our next videos we'll be discussing single master. Okay, first, so let's go and start our other video. So we'll be discussing file based application in our next video. Okay, so thank you and seeing you in the next video.